This historic residence is for sale. Located in Franche, Comté, France, it offers 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. A restored 15th century historic residence set within 3.54 hectares of private land. Offering around 802 square metres total floor area, the property includes 12 principal rooms and 4 bedrooms, including 2 suites, large reception areas and a notable historic fireplace dating from 1634. Many original architectural features have been preserved, including vaulted ceilings, exposed oak beams and traditional terracotta flooring. The estate also includes 2 barns, 2 vaulted wine cellars and extensive grounds with mature trees and a stream. The asking price of this historic residence is €700,000. A rare opportunity to own a restored medieval property combining historic character, generous space and over 3.5 hectares of land in the French countryside. Thank you for watching.